This is John with WTI, and what I have here, it's something that is so convenient for me that even if I'm on the go or I have to give a class online, this just works perfectly for me. So this tray that I can actually attach it to my steering wheel of my car is just so convenient. Because have you ever wanted or been through a drive-through, you want to eat something in your car, and you're just like wobbling around and you're scared that everything's gonna fall up? You attach this to the steering wheel of your car and it's like a desk. But not only for that. So I use this to handle my laptop and just to put it there. If you want to watch a series or anything on your laptop, your tablet, or just a desk that you can actually write or take places or nothing or something, this actually does a great job. It actually has a side that you can put a cup, or if you flip it, you can have like your pens or anything that you want to put in here, and it just does the job great. So this is a great gadget for you to put in your car, and it's just going to do the job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.